Okay, so next we're going to test for the presence of copper ions. So if you take a look at the test tube here, copper solutions, they are blue in color. So first up, I'm going to add in a few drops of sodium hydroxide. And as you can see, there's formation of a light blue precipitate, which is copper hydroxide. So next, I will add in excess sodium hydroxide, and as you can see, the light blue precipitate remains insoluble even in excess sodium hydroxide. Okay, so next, I'm going to add in a few drops of aqueous ammonia. And as you can see, there's formation of your light blue precipitate, which is also copper hydroxide. Now, when I add in excess aqueous ammonia, okay, you can see that the blue precipitate dissolves in excess to form a deep blue solution.